Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. So today we'll be discussing the question which you can see on the screen, that is how many 8-digit numbers are there in all. Okay, so to answer it, one of the ways, suppose if somebody asked me, let's take a random example. If somebody asked me how many one digit whole numbers are there in all. Since they are asking one digit whole numbers, it means I have to tell them the numbers from 0 to 9, like how many one digit numbers are there from 0 to 9, right? If somebody is asking me how many one digit whole numbers are there, so one of the ways I can easily count the one digit whole numbers from 0 to 9, which is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. You can count them all. How many are there? There are total 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. But so the answer for this would be 10 numbers, 10 one digit whole numbers are there, But the thing is, now if somebody asks me how many two digit numbers are there in all, is it practically possible? Is it like, wouldn't it be time consuming if I start counting the numbers from 10 to 99? Because this is the smallest two digit number and this is the largest two digit number. It would be quite time consuming if I write them all and start counting, right? So that is why we need to figure out another way to answer such questions when somebody asks us how many 8 digits, 7 digits, or any number of digit numbers are there in all. So how to do that? And I hope it's clear why do we need to find another way of doing it, because to count the numbers from the smallest possible 8 digit number to the largest possible 8 digit number, it's a quite time consuming process. That's why we need to think of some other method to do it. So what's that other method? What we can do instead of counting it all is, yeah, yeah, one second. So what we can do is just think of the, let's first discuss with the one digit whole number. So suppose if I have to find out another trick. So yeah, from here. So think of the largest one digit number, largest one digit whole number, one digit whole number, which is 9, correct? Now think of the smallest one digit whole number. Whole number is 0. Why I'm writing 0? Because we are considering whole numbers and the smallest whole number is 0. We are not considering natural numbers. If we would have been considering naturals, I would have written 1, right? Smallest one digit whole number is 0. Now find out the difference between the largest one digit whole number and smallest one digit whole number, which is 9 minus 0, which equals 9, correct? Now to find the number of numbers, total one digit whole numbers which are there in total, what we do is just add a 1 to your difference. Total one digit whole numbers equals whatever is the difference between the numbers, add a 1 to it. So difference plus 1, that's the general formula, equals to, difference was 9, so it's 9 plus 1, which equals 10. You can cross check, see. Earlier, if we were counting, which is the correct method of doing it, the most basic method, which is not practically possible for large numbers, but you were getting the answer as 10 if you are counting. The same answer you are getting if you are using this method, right? It means this method is practically feasible as well as correct, and it can provide you the accurate answers. So we'll be using this method to figure out how many 8 digit numbers are there in all. So going on the same steps, doing the same steps once again here, let's start with the solution. So the main solution starts from here. Yeah. So largest 8 digit whole number. Think of it, which is the largest 8 digit whole number? Always remember, whenever you have to write the largest number, we write it in terms of nines. Largest 8-digit number is 9 crores 99 lakhs 9,999, right? Right? Basically, you have to write down 8 nines, a comma over here to separate the thousands and the hundreds. So ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakhs, and crores. So 9 crores, 99 lakhs, 99,999 is the largest 8-digit number possible. Similarly, smallest 8-digit number which is possible is, whenever you have to write in terms of smallest, we always write in terms of 1 and zeros, right? So 1, it's 1 crores. Basically, 7 zeros followed 1 followed by 7 zeros. Now find out the difference between the largest and smallest 8-digit number, which is, let's do the subtraction. 1 second. Yeah, so you can subtract, put it on in the similar way so that you can easily do it. 1 second. Yeah, so here it is. The difference is 8 crore 99 lakhs 99,999. Correct? So to find the total number of 8-digit number possible, what we'll do, we'll simply add a 1 to the difference. Total 8-digit numbers possible equals to difference plus 1. That's why 8 crore 99 lakh 99,999 plus 1, which is equal to how much? 9 crores. I hope it's clear to you. If there is something you're not getting, you can ask.